In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tax rate in HubSpot. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account on your browser. Once you're there, we're going to start by navigating to the User Guide. This particular section will be your go-to resource for understanding and managing different functionalities within HubSpot. Accessing the User Guide ensures that you have all the supporting material at your fingertips, making the entire setup process much smoother. Next, let's get started by going to the Settings menu. You'll find this icon typically located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to a central hub where you'll manage various settings related to your account and business operations. This area is the backbone of your HubSpot experience. Through it, you have the power to configure the platform to meet your specific needs. Once you're in the settings, look for an option labeled Objects. This section houses all entities related to customer interactions and management, making it a critical part of organizing how you keep track of your business's most important data. Clicking on Objects opens up a world of possibilities as you efficiently monitor and adjust customer-related activities. Now, let's move on to selecting Products. This submenu within Objects focuses on items or services you offer, providing a detailed overview of what your business sells. By managing your products here, you can tie these offerings to other customer-related data, forming a comprehensive overview of sales and inventory. The next step is to click on Tax Rates. This is where you'll configure the specific tax rates applied to your products. Managing tax rates precisely ensures that all sales transactions are compliant with local and international taxation laws, which is essential for maintaining business integrity and avoiding any future legal issues. Tax settings can impact your bottom line, so handling them with care and accuracy is crucial. At this point, you can set up or adjust the tax rates according to your financial strategy and legal requirements. If you're unsure what rates to apply, it's a good time to double-check with your accountant or tax advisor to ensure everything aligns with current guidelines. Feel free to pause and replay any section if you need to go over the steps again. Remember to save your settings before you exit to ensure all the changes take effect in your system. All these steps make sure your HubSpot account keeps functioning smoothly and aligns perfectly with your business goals. With that, you're all set up. Following these steps will give you the ability to manage tax rates effectively within HubSpot, allowing your business to operate more efficiently with a keen eye on both compliance and strategic financial management. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.